I just wanted to do this video real quick because it has been an extremely exhausting day. For those of you that do not know me and you have recently started to follow me, I want you to save this video. I work in healthcare. I literally got up at 4:30 this morning to start my day. I left my house at 5 a.m., started work at 6, and I am in an extremely exhausting position at my job. We go. We barely get lunch. We barely get to go to the restroom. And I'm over it. I've worked in healthcare. I love helping people. I do. I'm very grateful for my job. But I have a question for you. Do you feel like this when you get home? Are you burnt out? You're stressed? And I literally go in my living room and just honestly pass out. But I can't do that. There's responsibilities to do when I get home, from laundry to cleaning to picking up. Maybe you have kids that you're running all over or dinner. It's just, I sit back and I'm like, I am going to be 53 years old next month. I do not, and I refuse to spend the rest of my life doing the same thing over and over and over, being in a rat race, being on the hamster wheel. And guys, I have an amazing opportunity. I know the investment may be a little high for some of you, but I have a question for you. If you could earn a good amount of money doing that, wouldn't it be worth it to invest? And for those of you that think this isn't legit, think that it's a scam, then it's not for you. But I'm talking to the people that are, especially if you're in healthcare like me, this video is for you. I'm talking to you. I'm over it. I'm done working holidays. I'm done working weekends. I'm frustrated. We work long hours. We're on our feet all day, pushing and pulling patients and just running around like crazy. I work in radiation all day. I wear lead all day. And when I got home, my hips are literally screaming. I'm exhausted. I don't want to do anything else. And so I'm giving you a message. I'm sending you a message. I'm talking to you. You do not have to live like that. You do not have to, but you do have to say yes to an opportunity in order to get yourself out of that situation. Now, I know you're probably following me because you are interested in affiliate marketing, digital marketing, where you market a course or you market a product. This is very different. This is a green debit card that is going to be life-changing. Now, it is new. It's very new. We're getting it up off the ground. But let me tell you, it is going to be amazing, and you do not want to miss this. You do not want to stay stuck where you are, living paycheck to paycheck, exhausted for the rest of your life. And this is for anyone who wants to lock arms and help each other fight for something better than going to that damn job over and over and over every day and not living in the life we deserve, the life that we dream of when we close our eyes. So if this message speaks to you at all, here's how you're going to contact me, because I am banned from messaging on TikTok. So you have to email me. If you go over to my profile, there is an email, an envelope. You can email me and say more information and drop a green heart. And I will talk to you one-on-one. I will show you what I have my hands on, because it is legit, it is real, it is a one-time investment, and it can be life-changing. If you lock arms with me, and it is a business. I want to let you know it is a business. This isn't something you're going to say yes to and you're not going to do anything. You're just going to sit and do nothing. No, you're going to lock arms with me. You're going to work hard. But I promise you, if we do that in 1 year, you're going to thank me. You're going to thank yourself. And you're going to want to save this video so you can come back to it and say, this is where it all started. So make sure, if you're interested, get in my email inbox. Send me an email and let's chat.